Welcome everyone. Children, in this video we will see how to select the data from a series. We know how to create a series, and after that we have seen how to select top rows or bottom rows from the series using head and tail function. Now in this video we will see how to select a particular value from the series, that means a particular row from a series, and how to select the values on the basis of some condition. So first let's see how do we select a particular value from a series. So just switch over to our Jupyter notebook. Here I have created a series. This is the statement: import pandas as PD s equals to pd.series 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. One list I have given, and then print s. So series is printed. Now suppose we want to select row number 4, or you can say the value at the index number 3 from the series. So simply we can write print. This is your series, and you know how to write the index in square bracket. So S3. Suppose I want to change the value at the place S4, and I want to make it suppose like S4 equals to S4 plus S3. And print S now. So here you can see now your S4 is 9, because your S4 was earlier it was 5 and you have added 4, that means S3. So 5 plus 4 will become 9. So in this way you can select a particular value from your series, and you can apply calculations also or manipulation as you wish. Now the second thing is how to select a value from a series on the basis of some condition. Suppose in your series you want to know how many values are less than 2. So you can see this example here. Your series is given S, and you can see the values at different indexes. Now here I have written S less than 2. So it will give you true or false, because it's a you can say logical expression, and in this expression you have compared, means you have used a relational operator. So your relational operator always give either the value true or false. So the place where the value the condition is true, it will give you true, and the place where condition evaluates to false, it will give you false. So let's try this in our Jupyter. Suppose I want to display the places where the value of series is suppose less than 5. So what should I write? I'll write print inside bracket S less than 5. So see, at the indexes 0 1 2 3 the value of S is less than 5, and at the indexes 4 5 6 7 it is greater than 5 9 6 7 8. So it will return you true and false. Suppose you want the value, in that case you know how to print the value. You write print, then you have to give S, and inside a square bracket you have to type the condition like S less than 5. So what will happen? It will evaluate for each of the indexes where in the condition evaluates to true, you will get the result, and if condition evaluates to false, it will not show you the result. So see, for indexes 0 to 3 we have true, so the values are displayed, and for other it's skipped because condition is false. So this is the method we select the values from a series on the basis of a condition. Now one more thing, suppose in our series I want to display some contents after removing some rows. So how do you remove? Here you use drop state function with your series, and using this drop function for the time being, means just for the display it will remove that particular index, but in actual it is there in the series, because when you display the series it will give you the whole series. As already you have seen, the size of series is immutable, so you cannot remove an element permanently. So let's see this. Suppose I write print s dot drop, and I want to drop the element at index 4. So it will give you like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7. But if you write print s, so you can see index 4 is there. That means it will not remove it from the series, and just for display purpose it removes and return you the status of the series after dropping. So this is the way you can remove an element at the time of display. I hope children you understood how to select a particular value from the series by using its index, by using a relational operator or a Boolean expression, and after dropping a particular row. This is it for this video, and in our next video we will see indexing and slicing. Thank you so much children.